What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there this evening? We're back with another one. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, if you haven't checked out this particular project, the link is in the description. Go check it out at www.mailboxincomesystem.info. All right, now we're back just to do a quick update. Hang on. Right, thought I'd bring this up so you can check it out right here. www.mailboxincomesystem.info. See how we're getting paid in the mail on autopilot. Request your free starter kit today. All right, so just let me give you a quick update what we got going on. Let's go. All right, so here's how to get mailbox money. All right, it's commissions. Okay, we're not just sending mail through the mail, doing cash gifting, any of that. This is an actual system. Comes with a marketing system. Comes with a back office, digital products as well. But let's start off just showing you the email I received from the company. All right, let's see here. Where is it? Hang on, let me see if I can find it here. Where was that email? Hold on one second. I believe it's this one here. Yes. All right. All right, so we're going to start out with the emails that comes from the company. Every time someone requests a sales kit, okay, they call it a kit. It's going to be a 6-page sales letter and a envelope, right? It's going to be in a brown envelope. I can't find mine right this one. Oh, here we go. It's going to be like in a brown envelope, like so. Okay. A 6-page sales letter. So every time someone requests a sales letter, which gives them all the information about the program, the company sends you an email. Okay, they tell you what position you are in, because there's 3 positions, 1, 2, and 3, right? So they're going to tell you, hey, a kit, they call it a kit was requested and you were in position whatever, 1, 2, or 3. They tell you who requested the kit. When the person sends in their payment, when they sign up and they mail their payment in, $100. When the company receives their payment, they let you know that, hey, you've got commission on the way. And that's what you see here. So you see it tells me I've got commission, so I've got another one on the way. That's not the one I'm getting ready to show you today, but I've got another one on the way as of March 4th, and they mail them out on Friday. $20 payments. Cash, right? They just don't use the processors, okay, that you normally see us using, the Zelle, Cash App, Venmo, all those payment processors, right? They just send you cash. All right, so that's commissions. All right, for your referrals. So they send you an email. When you've got commission on the way, they send you an email. When people have requested a sales letter, they tell you who requested it and what position you're in. All right, all that is in the email. So as you can see, I've got those here. Now, let's look at what we've got. Hang on here. All right, so we are in our dashboard. So you get a marketing system, as I explained earlier. You get digital products. So you spend $100 for level 1 standard training. That's the one I'm in. So you spend $100 and you get these 2 training modules or packages, if you will. So if we go here with modules. So the first one, email profits. If we click there, email profits bootcamp. It tells you what's included. What is this all about? Okay, and here's the modules for it. You can download it here as well. That's one. And then here's another one. called Dominating with Free Facebook Strategies. Okay, and here's the modules for that. Okay, you have access to this, and you get this marketing system that we're looking at right now. Okay, has different tabs here: products, which is the one we're on now, website, marketing material, all your leads that have come through are here, how many kits are here, and over here says your team and sales. Okay, so you have access to all this. So for $100 one time, no monthly fees, that's what you have access to. And for everybody that signs up with you, you receive $20 over and over and over. Okay, for everybody that sends 100 in, you make 20. Okay, all right, so let's take a look here. Is it this page? I think it's this page. Okay, so everyone gets this page right here. Okay, we all have this page. Your page will be coded to you. We all have a page that's coded to us. So when folks go here, I've actually put a domain with mine. You don't have to do that, but that's what I did. I'm www.mailboxincomesystem.info. When folks come here, they put in their name and email. It takes them to this page. Is it this one? Takes them to this page. Okay? They opt in, they get this page, this little teaser video here, right? If they decide from this point, hey, you know, I think I want you to mail me a sales letter. They call it a kit, remember? So you will come down here where it says request your free starter kit. Provide your name, first name, last name, your email. It's very important that you put your email here, because once they receive your payment, they're going to email you your link so you can log in. Okay, so that's very, very important. Complete this to its entirety here. Make sure it's clear, guys. Your address, because this is where your sales letter is going to go, and this is where they'll be mailing your commissions to. This is for US only, by the way. Okay, US only. All right, so you would request your sales letter. All right, and all the information is included in there. They even give you a envelope to mail your payment back. I recommend you, instead of just mailing it regular mail, okay, they're gonna send, you're gonna have this little envelope in there. You can mail it back. You don't even have to put a stamp on it. But if you want to track it, I recommend priority mail. You know, that's just me. That way you can track it and know when it gets to the office there in Florida. All right, and you'll kind of know where you stand, because mail is slow. It's running 7 to 10 days. I mean, I just mailed one of my members some leads last Monday. Okay, she just got them today. All right, so this is the regular mail, guys. This is how regular mail goes. If you want them to get it and be able to track it, they'll get it in about 2 days, right? So for the extra $7, $8 or something like that, it's up to you. So anyway, once they get it back, once they receive it, they're going to send you an email. So it's very important that you provide your correct email here, so that you will get your login information and be able to log into your back office just like I'm in, right? All right, so that's that. Now we go back over here. This is the dashboard for everything. I'm not going to click leads because it has people's email addresses in there and all that. So for privacy protection, I'm not clicking there. But you're here for the system. So it showed you the products, then the website, the sales page. I showed you this is the capture page. Then you got the sales page, right? And then we've got the back office for everything. Now if we click marketing, they even give you info on some marketing material. If you want to mail postcards, I just got one in the mail from somebody last week. This card right here. Okay, so people are mailing them out. All right, so I've got somebody card in the mail. Of course, I'm already in the program, but that means the person is mailing, doing what they should be doing, because they're trying to reach out to more people. That's mailing is not required. Okay, you can promote this online, social media. You can send traffic to it using solo ad providers that I have listed in the description. You can use that. But if you want to reach folks in the mail, you can use these cards. They have these cards here in the back office. You can order straight from your back office. You can get 100 for $20, 200 for $37.50, 300 for $55, 400 for $72.50, and upwards. All the way up here, they've got, you can order 5,000 cards, guys. Look at this. Okay? So it's up to you. They even have it if you want them to send you some labels, names and addresses of people to mail to, buyers. Okay? So they have that as well. I also have a link in the description for a mailing list company. You can check them out as well. But you can do all that right here. Okay. They'll even put it on there. If you want them to do the postage, see right here it says, yes, $52 per 100 cards. They'll do all that for you. Put the labels on them and stamps and mail them out. It's up to you. All right, so that's here. And they have email swipes. The email swipes are emails that they put together that you can just copy and paste and send them out to people that you know that may be interested in making money online. They have banners that's coded to you. There's a traffic source they have in here as well. All right, so everything you need is right here, guys. Okay, and as I said, the leads here, the names and emails of people that have requested the kit. It's going to show level 1, 2, and 3. And then let me show you some numbers here. Hold on. I'm going to cover up the bottom of this information because it also has people's names and information below. So I have this covering it up. But if you click kits, right, in your back office, you can see, well, how many kits were mailed out in position 1, how many kits were mailed out in position 2, and how many kits were mailed out in position 3. And if you look here, position 2, I've got 420 kits went out. You know why? Because one of my members, she actually used one of the solo providers that I provide you in the description. And all these folks requested sales letters. So that tells you that was real. Okay? That was real people. And guess what? We didn't have to mail out anything, okay? I know this is a direct mail program. It's online. It's direct mail, but we don't actually have to mail. It's not required, okay? But it is an option, just like I received somebody's postcard in the mail last week. You can do that. That way you can reach people in the mail, but it's not required. You can use those traffic sources that I list in the description, and they will send people to your website. And you can do this solely online, guys. All right? And when people sign up, you'll receive your little envelope in the mail, just like I have here. Let's see if I can cover this up here. Okay? So, many ways to market this thing, even via email. That's why they provided you email swipes. That if you have an email list, you can send people the emails. They're already done for you. Just copy and paste them and send them out to your list. All right, so pretty cool platform. This thing came out before the pandemic hit. This thing was really rocking and rolling. Okay, and they shut down for a couple of years and they came back. Okay, but they closed due to the pandemic because folks in that Florida office got sick. Okay, but they're back. So anyway, this is a low-cost program to get started. Again, it's only $100 one time. That's it. All right. So anyway, just want you guys to see that's where we are. So what we're going to do is open up this envelope here for you so you can see what we got. All right. And we got another one on the way. Pretty cool. All right. So this is a great way to earn. Another way, that's what this channel is about, building your income via affiliate marketing, digital marketing, crypto. This is make money online. We show you different ways with systems, training, tools. Okay, Simply referring people to these websites, pretty much. All right, so let's see what we got here. Okay, we got another Crispy Jackson here. Okay, so right here it tells you you get this blue sheet. You can see that. You get this blue sheet, guys, and it's got the date on it. I think it. Okay, there you go. It's got the date on it, and it came with the Crispy 20. Okay. So it says here, thank you for being a part of the CCF. Here's your commission. All right, guys. So there it is. All right. So another way, if you're looking for a way to earn some money, some extra income, $100 gets you started. Okay. So that's it. Go check it out. The link is in the description. www.mailboxincomesystem.info. Alright, this is the page, remember? You're going to get a page just like this. This is where everybody's going, putting in their info, and they're going to watch this little, it's 2 minutes. Check this out. Request your sales letter. Hey, it's free. Read over it. See if it sounds like something you're interested in. If it is, you mail your $100 back in. Get your money order. You can mail it in the envelope that they give you. No postage is required. Or, as I said, I like priority mail. That way I can track it. It's all up to you. But, again, here's another opportunity for you guys to check out. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me. And click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.